3, 2, 1.
They say that music brings the world together. We need superheroes for that. There they are.
That put a spring in my step.
Behind here, Beth.
Better stop that vehicle!
Powering up.
I suck.
I owe you one.
Oh my.
They made it halfway! Stop them!
That's better.
I suck.
Anyone say fireworks?
Need some help. See them? Right there.
There's still a chance to stop them!
Iron Man, operational again.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop
Powering
them.
up.
I suck.
Last minute miracle.
Better stop that vehicle!
Shields up.
They made it halfway! Stop them!
I don't have to be center stage.
Powering up.
Born again!
There's another one down.
Us against the world!
That's better.
Better watch your back. You're vulnerable than ever.
The grand finale!
I do love your particular brand of violence slogan.
Anything to hurt me.
There's another one down. Rockets.
A nice deep freeze.
You stop them in their tracks!
Wipe this place off the map.
Look who's here.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
I was fine.
I'm gonna find whoever put me out last time.
Rage!
Powering up.
Turn around, quick.
Maximum pulse!
Better stop that vehicle! There's still a chance to stop them!
Mental domination. Shields
Everybody
up.
ready?
So it begins.
Powering up.
Behold the god of thunder!
They hit a checkpoint. Now
I'm
might
gonna
be a
find
good time
whoever
to
put me out
stop them.
last time.
Better stop that vehicle!
the world.
Maximum pulse!
Not sure how we'll solve this without them.
I'm back. Powering up.
Better stop that vehicle. Don't give them another inch.
Judge, jury, executioner!
What am I? A nice...
Jump!
I suppose that helps.
Shields up. The current score is 0.
Hero, shut the fuck up and play the game.
Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 2.
Guess we better save the world again. Or is it worlds this time?
Seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Coming at you.
Next time you and Colossus perform your fastball special, do remember to call me Logan.
Why would I do that, Bug?
I am one of the few who can throw the both of you.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Query. The robots chose to rise up against their creators.
Well, that depends entirely on whether or not I created any of them.
See them? Right there! Help, friends! I'm hurt!
I have become vulnerable.
Admit it, you need me. A nice deep freeze.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
That's better. Powering up.
Avengers Tower. I was hoping for Madison Square Garden, but...
Almost there. Don't turn back now. The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
All together. Oh, I need assistance. Help my foot.
Us against the world.
Friends, gather around.
Your attacks are futile.
Everybody ready?
Oceans protect me.
Powering up.
Don't have to be center stage.
Can't let myself get hit. It seems Krakoa isn't good and intended on it. The moon haunts you!
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Berserker!
Double kill.
Oh, you thought you got rid of me.
That's 3.
Going for 4.
Wow,
What
4
do
in a
I do?
row.
I'm taking requests.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Chin up.
That's better.
I need assistance.
Powering up. Heads up, we got it on.
I am ready to put on a show. Double KO. There we are. And
I'm gonna find whoever put me out last time.
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum. Down.
That's better.
it's one of the least on the hill. No more on.
Lock onto this location.
I need assistance. Anything can hurt me.
Us against the world.
Don't let anything stand in your way.
Turn around.
I don't think that's welcome to me. There's another one down.
Shake it up.
That put a spring in my
That
step.
wheel's moving again.
Powering up.
On here. Step carefully.
Approach the site with caution.
The moon haunts you.
Maximum pulse! Shall be repaid in kind.
Heads up, we got an arm.
Oh no! Look behind you.
Iron Man, operational again. Nothing like seeing her perform live. Powering up.
I feel bad for you.
So close. This is your big chance.
I sleep.
That's better.
I suck.
Maximum pulse!
Pulse cannons and arguments.
Double KO.
Savage side is showing Logan. How delightful.
The current score is 3-2-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
The right heroes could make all the difference. Round 3,
Trudy's going to
go!
get this all sorted out. All I have to do is build her.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
The actual Magneto. Wow.
Should I know who you are?
No, but you should know magnetism doesn't work on super cool materials. Guess what I can do?
Be impertinent, it seems.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Some assistance, please.
That's better.
Something tells me this is a good day to have some sort of magic.
Look out below! One less arm to worry about.
survive.
Down to 30 seconds.
Don't let them break us.
Final 10 seconds.
Bringing this down.
Seeing stars?
Maximum pulse!
I like the cold.
Keep fighting until we have a winner.
Second chance is over.
Disappear.
Judge! Executioner!
Even better.
Double KO.
Ready?
Feel the wrath of the goddess!
Powering up.
Better stop that vehicle. They've made it halfway. Stop them.
I feel like myself again.
Iron Man operational again.
Stage.
Powering up.
Better stop that vehicle. There's still a chance to stop them.
A nice deep freeze.
For mutant kind!
Double KO. The current score is 3-2-3. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on.
I never wanted to be Iron Man, but it worked out for everybody.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one. Round 4.
Trudy's going to get this all sorted out. All I have to do is build her.
Go! 30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Pure adamantium is not easy to find. I would like to obtain yours.
You'll have to strip it from my bones first, bud.
That can be arranged.
Not before I slice you open like the talking tin can you are.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Look who just showed.
Powering up.
I suck.
That's better. Powering up.
Chin up.
Rockets fire.
Fear back.
Only 60 seconds left.
Disappear!
Down to 30 seconds.
You cannot hurt me.
Judge! Jury! Executioner!
Powering up.
The doctor. We won't let them through a shield.
The final 10
Iron Man
seconds.
operational again.
Maximum pulse!
Nobody can hang with the pulse
Double
man.
KO. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Tower.
You on ice.
Powering up.
Spiritual energy accumulation in progress.
Feeling sharp. Any medics around?
Sorry, no escaping us now. I settled for him.
Savage Sun is showing road. How delightful.
Final score, 4-2-3.